Hello everybody, today we're at Movie Land. Oh no, we are here for... Today Movie Land gave me a medal award, but we got to find it. So before the video starts, we're going to show you that medal award. This is just an update. You walk quick, fountain and spooky music. As you walk here, they added bucks. This is just a massive update. And they gave me this, thank you. Just going to take a picture of that for the video. That we got to do that, so that quick and good. So I'm gonna cut the video and I hope to see you there. Bye. Okay, we're back. Right, we're back and we're gonna show you some new updates now. I've done the picture. Well, they added money to this game, which is so incredible update. I love money. I wish I could get a lot of Robux because no way. I'm doing all later on after the credit stage update. This is just a short video. Okay. Whoa. They added a stage, and anyone with the staff game pass can access us one of the exhibit. Normal park music. Got to go to normal park music there. Car set. Right, let's start the show. 3, 2, 1. Bubbles. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for the forest! Whoa! Now we've got to get the lights on. Stage light on. Normal park music. Okay, my mum's talking. Is it that sound? Happy music. Time for the class set. Okay, we'll add the person. Where should we do it? Stage lighting. Good, let's see it. That looks good. Good. So, we hope you have a good day, but I'll show the others now. Because this video needs to upload so quick. I'm running out of batteries. No. Wait. Happy Halloween. We'll do another update afterwards when it's charged. This battery's left. Is what? Yes, Mr. Monkey and Rebecca Inspirations. Okay, let me handle that on Twitter. Maybe not. I want it on Twitter. Good. Yeah, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And maybe like my video and subscribe. Bye!